princess. So, yung 7th princess po ay mag-wish is Miss Shobay Tibayan.
May happy birthday. Sana makapagtapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral at sana maging mabuti kang anak. Happy birthday.
Palakpakan!
Thank you, Miss Shobay Tibayan. Next in line is Miss Margaret Magnan.
Happy birthday. Always be a good girl.
Thank you for the wonderful message, Miss Margaret Magnan. Wala kayong umalis. Next in line is Miss Ara Jane Capusyon.
Happy birthday. Sana matupad mo iyong pangarap.
Thank you, bye! Next in line is Miss Chloe Collado.
Happy 7th birthday.
Tatanggalin ko na lang.
A. Mendoza.
Walang bola ka na pinakalaman.
Thank you for the very, mahabang wish. Next is Miss Eliza Boa. Supposed to be nahala na siya. So, siya na lang si Miss Trisha Jane or Tibayan.
Happy birthday. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at sana matupad mo ang pangarap mo. Yay!
Palakpakan! So once again, babala ako dito ha. Miss Kristen Jane.
Happy birthday. Sana mapatapos ka ng magulang mong pag-aaral.
Ready, smile! 1, 2, pababa kamay, pababa kamay.
Say cheese. Ayan. First in line is Miss Jessa Tibayan.
Happy birthday, Charlie May. I hope you'll be able to reach your dreams and stay pretty and healthy. Again, happy birthday.
Thank you, wow. We have a message. Hindi ka handa. English speaking. Okay, next in line is Miss Aika Mendoza. Palakpakan! Yay! Miss Unica, I don't know how do you pronounce so. Palakpakan!
May happy 7th birthday. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at matupad mo na iyong mga pangarap. At sana pumayat ka na.
Tapos sila siya, upo.
Wish you all the best and God bless.
Binabati ko po yung mga ninang ko dyan na nasa labas.
May happy birthday. Hindi ko alam. I wish you all the best. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo and sana maging masunurin ka sa magulang mo. Happy birthday.
Day to you! Happy birthday! Para sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo at maging mabuti ka sana anak. Tingin tayo sa camera kasi makikita tayo agad po broad kaya kailangan tumingin. Correct.
Napadala sa Taiwan. Napadala sa Taiwan.
Inang G. Day to you. Happy birthday.
Bebe, ready?
Happy birthday. First in line, may I call on Miss Janessa Intoso. Next in line, we have Miss Sarah May Enriquez.
Happy birthday, May.
Thank you, Miss Sarah May Enriquez. Next in line is Miss April Mendoza. Okay, thank you, Miss Miss April. Next, music, Miss Joyce and Vito.
Happy birthday, Ate Maymay. Sana matupad ang pag-aaral.
Thank you, little girl. Oh, bigyan mo na yung regalo mo. Kala ko iuwi mo pa eh. Okay, next in line is Miss Sandy Tibayan.
Ate Maymay, happy birthday.
Picture mo na, little girl. Picture ka mo. Thank you, Miss Trisha May. Next, we have Angela Recalde. So once again, our 7 slippers, 7 bills. Yay! Yay! Miss Nina Jingle Tibayan.
Happy birthday! Sana lumaking mabait at masanurin hindi lang sa iyong magulang, kundi lahat sa nakakatanda sa iyo. At sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral.
Happy birthday to you. Nino Orlando Mendoza. Yan. Mabigat, mabigat.
Maybe, wish ko lang sana. Marami nang sabi kanina sana yung pag-aaral mo maging masunurin ka lang, mabait sa iyong magulang at mag-ingat ka palagi. Diyan at Diyos para.
Mabigat to ha? Mabigat to. Dapat lang. Ay, ano,
Maymay, ang 7th birthday, sana makapagtapos siya ng pag-aaral at lalo-lalo na maging mabigat anak at isa pa, huwag kang makalimutan tumawag sa Diyos. Happy 7th birthday!
Ito talaga promise. Yeah. Yeah. Next line is Ate Ella. Sabi ni Nina Jingle, mabigat din daw to.
We always pray I wish you all the best and success.
5,000. Next in line is Ate Ella May Tibayan. Ito naman natin lang. Promise, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Yan.
Ate, lapit, lapit.
Happy 7th birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo, matupad mo ang pangarap mo, good health, and God bless. Happy birthday.
Next in line is Ate Tisa Gomez. Oh, promise.
Maymay, happy 7th birthday. Always sana lahat ng dreams nila sa iyo matupad. Yes, happy 7th birthday.
Smile to you. Happy birthday
Tawag mo si Chris.
to you. Proceed to the 7 chocolates. First in line is Mr. Aldred Lilan. Aldred?
Maymay, happy 7th birthday. Sana ikaw matupad.
Wow, what a cute message. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Maymay.
Tabi ka pa, tabi pa. Yan. Ready?
So, okay. Joshua Enriquez.
Birthday, Maymay. Sana magpapayak ka na.
Sana daw pumayat na yung birthday celebrant natin. Wow! So chocolate pa talaga binigay mo. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Maymay.
Thank you, Mr. Cedric Maleha. Next in line is Mr. Frederick. Happy birthday to you.
Maymay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Tapos ka ng pag-aral.
Social siya kasi Manuel Kipanaw.
Ate Bunso. Ate.
Ate Maymay.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Tabi, tabi. ate.
Smile, say cheese.
Ate.
To you. Happy birthday. Maraming balloons. Maraming yung chocolates na yung binigay, yung pera, siya na daw mag-ahawak. Talented to talented. First in line with the 7 balloons is no other than Miss Jamila Di Castro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Next in line is Jamaica Di Castro. Happy birthday to you. Oh, wish! Sige na, mag-wish ka na. Wish! 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 Hello! Akala ko sira yung mic. Happy birthday, bebe! Thank you. Next is Miss Shannon Suarez. Shannon.
Happy birthday, May. Sana matapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at matuwa ang mama at papa mo.
Ellen Village, Irish, where are you?
Doon ko muna ate, pipicture na lang.
Irish Enriquez. Next in line, we have Miss Jerry Spear.
Happy birthday! Sana matupad iyong pangarap.
CJ Asinas.
May, happy birthday! Sana makapagtapos ka.
Miss
May, happy birthday!
Yan, one! So mag-countdown po tayo.
Mami, dyan na lang kayo.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Sabay-sabay tayo po kanta ng happy birthday ha. 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Sito na ito. Basta Miss Mikey De La Luna.
Ate, harap ka na konti.
Happy birthday!
Next in line is Miss Casey Castillo.
Happy birthday, Mimi! Happy birthday, Mimi! Happy birthday, Mimi! Ang nagpapalala sa'yo ay
Ang Nicole to.
Thank you. So, ang gift daw po ni
O, dito.
Wildo na magpapasok na raw po, kaya ba't daw po yung isipan niya? Enriquez.
birthday sa magulang mo.
Ate, picture.
Ayan, picture. So, ang gift niya raw po is Sandy Bear. So, alam mo kaya daw po yan yung gift niya para laruin kapag nalulungkot. Yun na lang. Specific. Next is Miss Earlyn Torres. Palakpakan!
edit lang.
Panty Spot Collection. Kita na, masaya na sila.
Anong gift mo?
Mimi, happy birthday.
Kita Dabs, puputuloy na sila.
Okay.
Kita Dabs, tapusin na lang.
Okay, let's proceed to the 7 walls. Palakpakan! Lahat po, picture. Palakpakan! Yan. Salamat po. Tito Michael Mendoza. Best sa gitna ka, Ben. Kapatid po siya ng father na ating birthday celebrate. Ayan.
Kuya, ate na.
Ito, sayaw! Sayaw! Sayaw lang! Yee! Palakpakan! Sayaw pa! Ikot! Taas ang kamay! Palakpakan! Very good! Ikot! Ikot! Lula ang abot! Palakpakan! Ikot pa! Isang ikot para lula ang abot! Palakpakan! Next in line is Kuya Patrick Tibayan. To you. Without you. Next in line is Kuya Daniel Chucares. Palakpakan! So siya po ang brother na ating birthday celebrant. Palakpakan, ikot naman! Ikot! Ay! Ikot! Yee! Ganda! Palakpakan! Yee! Happy birthday to you! So next, instead po na ang 7 last waltz dance ni Little Girl ay yung father niya. So yung father niya kasi is nasa abroad. So ang mag-represent po is Tito Inyo Mendoza. Ikot! 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 Yee! Ikot pa, isa kasi palpa. Ikot! Yee! Palakpakan! Ikot pa, ikot. Ikot, lula ang abot. Okay. Palakpakan! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday! Ikot, last one. Ikot, last one. Thank you, Inyo. Picture taking. Eliza Michelle Tipo was was born last February 25, 2006. Mrs. Jocelyn and Christian Ian Boa. She is a grade 2 pupil in Our Lady of Kaysasay Academy. In short, Alka. Miss Trisha J. Noor Tibayan. Trisha